Hi guys, in this video I will discuss a tutorial how to record calls on an Android phone. Without further ado, here's the tutorial. While the call is in progress, you can actually immediately record your conversation. The way to tap the record menu, and all your conversations will start being recorded. To end it, tap stop recording, and your call recording will be saved in internal storage. Specifically in the recordings folder, and the call folder in it. You can also record calls automatically. To do this, open the phone app, tap the three-dot icon, and open Settings. Open the Record Calls menu, then just activate the Auto Record Calls feature. In this menu, you can also see your saved call recordings. That's it for this video tutorial. I hope it's useful. And thank you for watching.